Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about Trump's town hall reviews, and in this video you will get an in-depth information regarding it. So watch this video till end. Tuesday night's event on ABC featured predictable attack lines and vague promises of policy from Trump. But it also showcased again the president's struggle to effectively defend his handling of the coronavirus pandemic that has claimed many lives in America. President Donald Trump's town hall in front of undecided voters offered an intriguing preview of how he may approach his first debate against Democratic nominee Joe Biden in 2 weeks. Tuesday night's event on ABC featured predictable attack lines and vague promises of policy from Trump. But it also showcased again the president's struggle to effectively defend his handling of the coronavirus pandemic that has claimed many lives in America. And while the president's aides have been eager to shift focus of the virus, the town hall made clear that the campaign, now down to its final 7 weeks, has remained a referendum on the presidents and the pandemic. Guys, before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now, let us talk about it further. The questions from self-described undecided voters were often more pointed than what the president is used to receiving. There was a diabetic man who explained that he had to dodge people who don't social distance or wear a mask, a prime feature of the president campaign events. The president sometimes began his answers before the questioners were done speaking, and Flora Cruzetta offered a question on behalf of her late mother, an immigrant from the Dominican Republic who became a US citizen, asking what will he change to make more people like them and like her mother to become citizens and vote. Trump, who has worked to reduce legal and illegal immigration, promised another immigration plan that he said actually will be popular for all. He appeared to mishear her comment that her mother died of breast cancer and steered the conversation to the coronavirus and prospect of COVID-19 vaccine. The Fox News host Laura Ingraham accused ABC News of ambushing President Donald Trump on Tuesday night after a town hall event where voters asked him basic questions. The president loves mixing it up with everybody, but this is an ambush, Ingraham said. Undecided voters in Pennsylvania asked Trump about several issues, including his decision to not pursue a national mask mandate during the coronavirus pandemic and his take on the racial divide in the US. The president often stumbled through his responses, offering blatantly false information to the voters. For example, he suggested it was former Vice President Joe Biden's responsibility to implement a national mask mandate. But the Democratic presidential nominee has not been in government since January 2017, and the coronavirus outbreak began less than a year ago. The questions voters asked Trump on Tuesday night touched on issues affecting virtually every American, but Ingraham, who like other Fox News opinion hosts tends to throw softballs at Trump during interviews, was adamant that the town hall event was set up to deliberately make the president look bad. Rather than critiquing the Trump's apparent lack of preparation and aversion to facts in Graham painted the event as a Democratic plot against the president, saying the Democratic National Committee may as well have put the whole thing on him. So guys, this was about today's video, and I hope this video was somewhat informative for you. So guys, don't forget to share your reviews about today's video in the comment box below. Also, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.